Some kinds
Okay.
of assets by their nature don't go through probate, like IRAs, 401ks, life insurance. There, you and your wife would have named each other as a primary beneficiary and your son as a contingent beneficiary. Then, Robert, you have cash
Yes.
accounts, checking, savings, CDs, money market, investment non IRA accounts. Those you should have made POD, payable on death to your son. Did you make your cash accounts POD for your son?
Yeah. No, sir. We have a will.
So
But
I'm glad we're talking
it's
about
just
this, Robert.
it's just everything that we have is going to go to my son, and that's all in a will.
Okay, Robert, very important. I'm glad you hung on for us here, okay? Because, Robert, a will has nothing to do with avoiding probate. A will simply directs what happens to your assets when they go through probate. There is nothing automatic about this. It is probate, and people want to avoid probate because it's expensive and it takes a long time. So you're on the right track, Robert. So I just need you to go a step farther, and that is for all your cash accounts, checking, savings, CDs, money market, non IRA investment accounts. Go to them, the bank, credit union, investment company, fill out a form to make them POD, payable on death to your son. That's the other part to this, what we want to accomplish for you, Robert. That's your homework.
Great information. I thank you so much for it.
You're very welcome, Robert. I'm glad that Robert called us and we got that squared away for him.
Absolutely. And again, Tom, I heard Robert's wife in the background saying, "Oh yes, it all goes to him in the will."
Right.
Okay, so I'm sure that you heard that as well.
Yeah.
And so again, for all the listeners out there, having a will, a last will and testament is extremely important. However, having a will does not avoid probate. So it's really important that you need to take the next steps and understand, in particular with financial accounts, any financial account, there is nothing automatic about those financial accounts going per the will. There's nothing automatic. You have to take the step with each one of those financial institutions, whether it's IRAs, retirement accounts, you have to take the step. It's not automatic.
Right.
And as long as you do that and you name beneficiaries, that's what will prevent probate.
Exactly right. And when we do estate planning for people, typically we have four basic documents: a will, a living will, pull the plug, don't keep me alive by machines, healthcare surrogate, financial power of attorney. When we do these documents for people, we're going through these kinds of things. Okay, we're going to do the documents. We're going to part two to this is now we need to avoid probate. That includes making bank accounts POD, doing a ladybird deed on your home. And then we go to the third level, and that is how are we going to protect your wealth from the cost of a nursing home if you need to go into a nursing home someday. So, Robert, these are all things that the Olsen Law Group can do for you. You are on the right track, my friend. We just need to get some work done. The Olsen Law Group will do some things for you. We'll give some homework to you. And what we're going to do is we're going to make things simple, easy, inexpensive for your son when you pass away. And he's going to be thinking, my mom and dad, man, they were very smart people.
They were on it.
Yeah, exactly.
And yes, and that's the other thing is that, Tom, we know we help clients on this every day, is that we're helping the parents, no matter what age they are, but we're helping them to be more organized, and so
Exactly.
that they will set things up and make things simple. Because we know, in talking to all of our clients, there's one common thread. Everybody wants to make things simple and easy for their adult children
Exactly,
in
when
every
they
way.
pass away. Yep, exactly.